Working on some cushion covers today, and I'm going to show you how to do this type of how to sew this type of zippers. This is my old cushion cover, and this is the way how they did the zippers. So basically there's no turning over, it's just cut out. So I traced the pieces of vinyl already, and I also traced the lines where the tape it's gonna be in the center, because I want my stitching to be straight. So I cut out a piece of the zipper tape, basically the zipper, and then I'm gonna sew it along between the lines. I could have done it with the center line, but it's better to draw both um, lines so I can go straight, because the cutting must be straight as well. So this is the vinyl. It's basically got charcoal color, and I'm going to replace those covers back there, and I will show you how to do that. So now I'm here at my double needle sewing machine, and I'm going to place the tape face down, right? And then I'm going to start sewing on this side, and I want to keep the tape in the middle of the marking. Here we go. And the reason why I marked it, because I want my zipper to be straight. This is about a yard plus long. So that's why it looks like endless. See? And then I'm done. I'm gonna tack it. I don't need the whole length, by the way, because I cut the material longer than what I need, but I wanted to have it longer anyway. So let's go on the other side. Done. This is how it looks from the top, and then I'm just going to cut the middle and add the zipper puller, and we're done. Now I'm going to proceed to add the zipper slider. So I put the puller on the reverse, and then I pull the tapes away, and then it goes in. And the next thing I'm going to do is to cut the tape right in the middle. You can probably slide it like this. And voila, we have our zipper done. See, I just need to do it on the rest of the tape, but basically that's how it is. I did it. I sew the tape on this side and slice it in the middle, and that's it. And this is how it looks like finished. Now I just need to install it and then finish it. And as they say it in French, voila, it's finished. So I just finished the second cushion cover, and I show you guys how I did the zipper, so it looks like even all the way. And then the sewing, I wasn't able to do it because this is the first time I'm doing this type of how you call that, this kind of style. Normally I do one piece and then I just finish on the bottom. This time I had to do it like that because I didn't have enough material. So I didn't have enough material to go underneath, so I had to do the pieces. So it's a lot more work, but it came out so nice. I actually like the way how it looks like. So I'm done. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're learning from my daily sewing projects, and we'll be creating, actually I will be cutting some dresses today, and I hope you can see how I'm doing it. I got the patterns last week, and I'm gonna just proceed on cutting them. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope to see you in the next video, and God bless you all. Bye bye now.